In this video, I'll show you how to create checklists with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is helpful for organizing tasks, planning projects, or keeping track of things you need to do. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a checklist. For example, I might type, "Create a checklist for starting a YouTube channel." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate a response that includes a checklist with several tasks or steps related to my request. If I want the checklist to be more structured, I can also ask Claude to format it as a checkbox-style checklist or a numbered list. For example, I could type, "Create a checklist with checkboxes." Once Claude generates the checklist, I can copy the list and use it for planning, task management, or daily to-do lists. If needed, I can also ask Claude to add more items, simplify the steps, or reorganize the checklist. And that's it, I've successfully created a checklist using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.